With all this move last week and with inflation looking good, the chance of the Fed doing a rate cut at the June meeting has increased from 0 to about 30%. So you're saying there's a chance. It looks like there might be a chance of the Fed doing something. I think there's still some more time here for things to unfold. That is something we'll be watching closely. I think a lot of people are feeling like the Fed needs to make some sort of a move at this next meeting, start getting ahead of this with everything that's going on and all the concerns in the market. Will they do that? I don't know. I think the way that Jerome Powell's looking at this is like, look, hey, we have our strategy. We're not changing our strategy. If the administration wants to do these tariffs and do their thing, we're going to continue to look at the same data that we've been looking at, which is inflation and employment numbers. And until they see those numbers move significantly, they're not going to take much action because of the CEO confidence or the consumer confidence or the fact that home buyers are having to pay such high interest rates and it might impact the housing market. They've indicated multiple times that they don't care about those things, and they're certainly not going to take any sort of direction from the administration on their monetary policy. So I don't know that I expect them to acquiesce because of what's going on in the market, but time will tell. But the people who predict these things are suggesting a higher chance of that happening. Hedge fund shorts are way up. That means that, the big hedge fund traders see more potential sell-off in the stock market. I think that, now if that doesn't happen, we could be into a short squeeze situation. We could see, that could put pressure on bonds again, right? Needing to liquidate some of those funds. So lots of things that can create volatility. Again, a reminder as a mortgage professional, why you need to quote your client a rate and lock it. Hopefully you have some sort of, float down or renegotiation policies at your organization. This would be a time to lean on those if we see a significant improvement in rate, but don't risk, this kind of big drop like we saw last week happening to your client in the middle of their transaction.